what we do here is go back.
Today we are going to change the belt on our Hoover Legacy. As you can see, the belt is not spinning. Take out the bottom screws.
Big dump.
When this screw comes out, the whole top plate comes out. As you can see, the belt is missing, and it's supposed to go around this middle bar and this too. You can use two hands and pull straight out. Put this belt around this middle bar. Stick the brush through the belt. If you're little, you might have to get behind for leverage. Once you get the other side in, you have to pop this side. As you can see, this side here is tucked in, and this side here is pushed in. You're going to want to brush it off. Also scrub in here and pull off any strings. Now we're going to put the wheels in. Now put the cover on. Now screw it in. Now it's all tight. We're going to check to see if the belt's working. Now check to see if the belt's working. And that's how you change a belt on the Hoover vacuum. Thanks for watching.